The United States, a powerhouse of innovation, offers a vast and diverse landscape ideal for renewable energy. From the rolling plains of the Midwest to the sun-drenched deserts of the Southwest, our unique geography and market dynamics position the U.S. as an upcoming global clean energy leader. To leverage this opportunity, Waaree Energies has established solar manufacturing facilities in Brookshire, Texas, and Arizona, tapping into the region's potential for sustainable growth. Established in 1990 and headquartered in Mumbai, India, Waaree Group is a pioneer in India's solar energy landscape. Our technological leadership and unwavering commitment to quality have positioned us as a global leader in clean energy solutions.
Waaree is working tirelessly on green energy transitions globally.
Our Brookshire manufacturing facility is a cornerstone of the booming clean energy ecosystem in Texas. We have also acquired 1 gigawatt state-of-the-art solar module manufacturing facility in Arizona. With an initial annual capacity of 3 gigawatts, expandable to 5 gigawatts by fiscal year 2027, our plant will be among the largest solar panel manufacturing facilities in the United States.
At Waaree Energies, our PV models are built to international quality standards, ensuring reliability and performance across the globe with trust, consistency, and long-term value.
Waaree is committed to investing in the USA manufacturing operations to transform our Brookshire and Arizona facility into a center for innovation, job growth, and community development. By creating 1,500 plus jobs, we aim to bolster the local economy and make a positive impact on the community. Waaree solar panels excel in even the most challenging U.S. climates. From harsh winters with heavy snowfall to scorching summer heat, their consistent performance and high efficiency are a testament to our superior product quality and commitment to excellence. With Waaree, customers get unwavering reliability and quality. Our solar panels are subjected to stringent testing by industry-leading certification bodies like RETC, PVEL, and Bloomberg Tier 1. Major leading banks in USA and India finance our projects, underscoring our credibility and market trust. Our transparent supply chain and diversified manufacturing operations mitigate risks, ensuring your investment remains secure and compliant. The remarkable adaptability and reliability of our panels attracts a high rate of repeat customers in the U.S. Waaree provides energy storage solutions in India and plans to introduce these offerings, along with green hydrogen solutions, to the U.S. market. Waaree fosters a workplace that values diversity and inclusion. Our culture is rooted in collaboration, innovation, and a steadfast commitment to sustainability and excellence. By promoting a gender-equal and inclusive workplace, we focus on creating a dynamic and vibrant team dedicated to building a cleaner, greener future. Waaree exemplifies the seamless integration of cutting-edge ESG innovations, optimizing efficiency while significantly reducing environmental impact. Our products go beyond mere functionality, standing as a testament to our steadfast dedication to sustainable energy and ethical principles. They embody our pledge to cultivate a greener planet and support our customers in their mission in mitigating climate risks.
I would like to urge all of you to join Waaree's vision to make this world greener.
A global commitment to clean energy is at the core of Waaree's growth journey. By combining our manufacturing and technical prowess with American ingenuity, we are powering a global energy transition for a cleaner, greener future.